In this video, we will use the CSOIsoGenerator module to create CSOs automatically based on a predefined ISO value. Add the modules to your workspace as seen in the video. We are loading the file bone.tif and connect it to the CSOIsoGenerator module. The module allows you to define a gray value for automatically generating contours. In our case, we leave the default value 1200. After pressing update, you can see yellow contours in the viewer. These contours have been created based on the detection of the voxel value of 1200 on every slice. Increasing and decreasing the ISO value segments more or less contours. Make sure to empty the contours in CSO Manager before changing the ISO value. We now want to show CSOs on neighboring slices. This feature is called ghosting. Add ISO CSO Visualization Settings module and select the tab Miscellaneous. Increase the parameter ghosting depth in voxel and inspect the viewer. Contours far away from the currently visible slice are shown completely transparent. The closer we get to the slice of the contour, the better we can see it. If you want to show your contours in a 3D viewer, you need to add ISO CSO 3D renderer to the CSO Manager. Then you can use CSOIsoExaminer Viewer to visualize all contours in 3D. For further information, please have a look at www.MeVisLab.de.